In this video, we'll be talking about finishing up with importing a DXF project, a series of files or a series of shapes within OptimumCNC software. This is the last video, or part 6, in the DXF import series. Here, I have already finished my project that I will be importing into OptimumCNC. I have laid out these files, I have edited the leads, the cutting sequence, I have adjusted the project settings, so the file is pretty much complete and ready to go. Let's say that we'd like to save this file for later. We can press the Save button in the top ribbon, give this file a name, for instance, sample project 02, and press the Save button. This file will be saved in the .ucad format. This allows us to later quickly open the file using the project button. So for instance, if we were to close the program or to simply erase this project, we can click the project button, find this project in our file list, open it, and the project will be available to us again. Now we can import it into OptimumCNC or close the window. Let's import the project, and here we can see that the project is now available for us to cut or to use as we see fit. Thank you for watching.